Hey guys, Daryl with Mighty Warrior Fishing and coming to you with another video. Today I'm going to be installing some caliper covers that I got for my 2021 Trail Boss, and I'm just going to kind of show you guys, just an unboxing, install them, and then just to show you what they look like before and after. So stay tuned. These are the rough country brake calipers that I purchased from Amazon. I purchased them for $169.95 plus tax. And I decided to buy these over the NGP ones that I saw online. They were $120 more, so I figured I would go with these since they are a little less expensive. I was pretty surprised. They are made of T6 aluminum, and so they're well made, have a glossy red finish, and the clamps are kind of bolted on there, so it makes them nice and sturdy. You can see the design is they're put together well, and so all the little pieces look like actual screws that are on there, but it is all molded out of one piece. This is the front caliper. The one earlier was the back caliper, and you can see that they're packaged individually in these little bags, so it's nice that you don't have to worry about them being scratched up or anything when you get them. I decided to go ahead and go with the red calipers since the tow hooks on the front of my truck are red. The rest of my truck is all blacked out, so I just wanted something to kind of blend in the red from the front of the truck. Also included, other than the 4 calipers, is the instructions. They're pretty easy to read, nice color instructions, pretty simple to install. They come with an extra screw and a wrench and a Allen wrench as well. So basically just start taking off the tires and get to work. I'm going to be doing the rear calipers first, and so I'm going to lift my truck up, both back tires at the same time. So make sure you brace your front tires. If you're not on a level surface, your truck will roll forward. So when you're lifting up from the back, just make sure you're lifting from behind the differential cover. The bottom of that cover, if you place it on top of the jack, it will bend, so you want to make sure you're lifting it up from just behind the cover, so that you can protect that bottom lip. When you place these covers on your calipers, just make sure that the little black fitting, the little rubber piece there, is facing upward on each side, so that's for the front and for the back. I ended up using a 5/16 ratchet to secure the screw. Made it a little faster. This on the front calipers, I couldn't use the ratchet because the space between the bottom of the screw and the top of the clamp, I couldn't fit the ratchet in there, so I did have to use the wrench that came with the calipers. on the instructions for these caliper covers, it does state that you will need a 0.25 wheel spacer if you are using factory wheels. I have a 1-inch wheel spacer on mine, so I didn't have any issues, but even when I put the tire on, you can see on the front that it would probably rub or be really close to the caliper cover if you didn't have a spacer. The back, there's plenty of clearance, but I think the front is going to need that spacer.